Every once in a while, you might have a paint project that calls for a particular shade that just isn't in the Beyond Paint signature color line. Well, today we're going to demonstrate an easy way to get the shade that you're looking for by simply mixing two colors of Beyond Paint. To get the shade of pink that we want for this jewelry box, we are going to start by mixing equal parts of poppy and bright white. Once the equal parts are mixed, we can adjust the shade to lighter or darker by adding more of either color accordingly. As with any painting project, you should clean the surface well before applying the paint to ensure a good bond. It is typically recommended to use a 3/8 inch woven fabric roller, but since these projects are small and have a lot of creviced areas, we started off using a brush. And in just a couple of simple steps, we have the perfect pink for our project and the bonding, priming, and sealing protection of Beyond Paint. We were able to paint all of this with just two 4-ounce samples, and you can mix any color of Beyond Paint to get exactly the shade that you need. You can also tint quarts of Beyond Paint using the white base with up to 4 ounces of universal water-based tints. Up to 10% by volume if compatible. The base you use will decide the color. Light, medium, or dark base as the primary color to be tinted. Inquire about this with your local paint store. But we recommend trying to mix our colors first, as we know that this will help keep the integrity of the product. So no matter if you are color matching or looking to create a whole new color for your project, you can make a durable custom hue that fits your look by simply mixing two colors of Beyond Paint. For more tips and paint for all your home projects, visit beyondpaint.com.